Hello lovelies, do you know that as you watch this video, Valentine is in less than 2 weeks, is in less than 14 days in other words. So for this reason, some creators are ready or are already making money which is more enough than what others are making in 2 months. Now my question is, will you scroll or will you be ready to earn? It's not yet too late. Some people think Valentine's is for lovers, but no for me and no for you as a creator. Valentine is for money. Let me show you the 5 ways you can start earning money immediately using only your phone. You're not going to use the flowers for now, but as a creator using your phone. Before that, allow me say good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is Christina on Immaculate Show. You guys, I love you so much. This is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not telling you that the moment you hear, you apply some of the things, you're going to be a millionaire. No. I'm giving you less than 10% of information. The 98 or 99, you need to go there and research for yourself. If you find it can do it, come and start doing it. So many people don't know that you can make money as others are expressing love. So how do you do it? You guys, you can sell Valentine messages, shout outs as the first way of making money during these 14 days. Hold on, before we dive in, do you know we need to shout out our top engagers? You might have joined us 2 years, 4 years, 5 years back, or 1 day back. But if you're here, get to know that we give you tips on how to make money with your smartphone without investing in or breaking your saving bank. So many people don't know that you can express your feelings as long as you are there and making money. You can offer to write and post customized Valentine messages to them on your status, page, or story for a small fee. Boys, secret admirers, long distance lovers, they'll pay you to say what they can't say. You all know that there are some people who cannot even construct a lovely message. The second one is you can promote small Valentine businesses. What are these small Valentine businesses? We have cakes, we have flowers, we have perfumes, we have outfits, photographers, surprise planners, and many more. All these, they all need customers right now. So what you need to do, walk to them, tell them you will promote their products on your WhatsApp status, Facebook or TikTok for 14 days, charge per post or per day. I'm telling you, these small businesses, they need like flowers right now. They need customers. There are these people who are doing gift hampers. They need customers. So promote these small Valentine businesses. The third one is you sell digital Valentine cards. We've been talking about digital products, but now we are talking about digital Valentine cards. Use Canva on your phone, design beautiful Valentine cards, post samples, tell people you customize with names and photos. Send the cards digitally after payment. No printing, pure profit is just there for you. The fourth is make Valentine content that attracts gifts. Create emotional Valentine videos, relationship advice, love quotes or skits. Add your number or payment line in the caption. If someone gets interested, can even support you with a gift. This content, maybe you can say like support this content with a Valentine gift, and of course you can support me with a Valentine gift in a comment section. You can send a gift or you can send money on my number. It will be attached, both mobile or you can use even bank. You will be surprised how many people send money just for vibes. I'm telling you. The fifth one is become a Valentine middle person, a connector. This is for some people who are strong. Some of us, we cannot do it. Some people want to surprise their partners but don't know where to get items. Let them pay you. Then you arrange cakes, you arrange flowers or gifts from local vendors and earn commission on every order. You don't need stock. You just need connection, and it is the right time. You can start right now. Now, these 14 days will pass, whether you use them or not. I'm telling you, they will come, because last year it was there, this year it is there. So whether you do what I'm telling you or not, it will have to come. It will have to pass. So better use this. Valentine is not only for love, It is also for smart creators to make money. Don't just simply wish people happy Valentine's Day. I will not do that. Don't do that, Honore. But you can also go ahead and earn from them. So if I can do a recap for you, we get to know that Valentine is not for only lovers. No, it is also for making money out of love, because it is a seasonal content. It comes every year. So be prepared and earn from it. How do you earn from it? These 5 ways are friendly, are beginner friendly, and are affordable. You don't need to invest anything. When you sell Valentine message shoutouts, how do you sell message shoutouts for Valentine? You just customize them at a small fee, because there are some people who don't know how to do that. 2, you promote small business Valentine businesses. These small Valentine businesses, like the ones for gifts, the ones for supplies planners, the ones for products, all these ones, and you can promote them on your statuses, on your Facebook, on your TikTok. The only thing you need is to approach them. This is a recap. Then the third one we talked about is create and sell digital Valentine cards. Most people, these ones are just like free. The 4th was make Valentine content that attracts gifts. Yes. Then another one was like become a Valentine middle person, like a connector. You can also do that. So out of this, at least you will enjoy it, you'll enjoy your loved one, and at the same time you're going to enjoy money. So what about this? So these are the simple and easy ways to make money with your smartphone in these 14. How much? It will determine on how coercive, how fast, how focused